Hi everyone, how to roast corn in the oven. This corn recipe is very easy. Oven roasted corn. If you're aiming or you're interested in how to roast corn, please keep watching and let's start making this. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. My name is Olayemi, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to roast fresh corn, how to prepare your corn in oven. If you don't have griller to make your roasted corn, are you are thinking of, can I make roasted corn in the oven? This video will be a guide on how to make a roasted corn. So I have a fresh corn, so I'm going to remove the back, then we'll start making this fresh corn, our delicious roasted corn. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated of my new videos. And please remember to like this video as well. Do not forget to drop down a comment in the comment section. Feel free to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Please share this video. So let's just clean the corn up and start making our roasted corn in the oven. This recipe is very simple. It is an oven roasted corn. You don't really need to add so many things to it to get that perfect oven roasted corn. It's very easy. I enjoy eating roasted corn and I enjoy eating boiled corn. I also have a video on how to boil corn in the stovetop. If you're interested in that, I'm going to put that in the description below. Please do not forget to check that out as well. So we already removed the back of the corn, so we start making our roasted corn. But before that, I'll just try to clean it up as much as I can. Then I'll just cut the tip is a little bit dirty, so I'll just cut it off so we get that clean perfect corn. So I'll just transfer it in a rack. So go ahead and put it in the oven. I already started preheating my oven, so it will just start roasting. So I want that it to already be in my oven, so we just transfer our corn to the oven. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to encourage us to see this amazing recipe. So we just put our corn in the oven, then we allow it to roast for 20 minutes. So this is the outcome after 20 minutes. So thanks so much for watching how to roast corn in the oven. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and remember to like our video, and please feel free to share this video. Hope to see you all in my next video, and please be safe out there, and bye bye.